Have you ever taken a photo on your iPhone and wished you could add some fun elements to it? If that is so, then you can make use of the iOS Markup feature. With your iPhone's Markup feature, you can edit screenshots and photos, set your preferred opacity, font face, and even add a signature to a PDF document without having to use any third-party photo editors. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Markup feature on your iPhone and adding some flair to your photos. But before we proceed, we'd really appreciate it if you'll like and share this video so that it will also reach others who need the same information. Now let's get back to our topic. Whenever you're ready, open the Photos app, then find the photo that you want to edit. Once you found the desired photo, tap on it. The selected photo will then be displayed in full view. To continue, tap on the Edit button in the top right corner. Doing so switches the screen to edit mode and the selected photo shrinks. While the photo is in edit mode, tap the markup icon represented by a pointer tip in between the red eye and Options, 3 dots icon. On the succeeding menu, you'll see a range of markup tools you can use to edit your photo. You can add text, draw on the photo, and even add shapes and emojis. To proceed with this walkthrough, let's add some text and an emoji to the selected photo. To do so, tap on the plus icon at the bottom rightmost corner, then select text from the side menu items. If you want, customize some items by altering the current font, color, and size of the text by tapping on the text icon at the bottom leftmost corner, and then choose your preferred font on the succeeding menu. To make the text bigger or smaller, simply drag the font size slider left or right. You can also set your preferred text alignment such as left, center, right, or justify. As for the font color, just select your preferred text color from the preset colors. Should you wish to draw on your photo, simply select the desired drawing tool and then start drawing. There's also an option for you to change the color and thickness of the brush according to your liking. To use this feature, simply tap on the color icon at the bottom right side of the screen and then tap on your desired brush color. After customizing, let's add a shape to the photo. To do this, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner, then choose the shape you want to add. You can add a rectangle, circle, callout, or arrow to your photo. Other markup features that you can use are signature, magnifier, and description, to name some. Once you're finished editing with markup tools, tap Done on the upper right corner to save your changes. To edit another photo using iOS Markup, just repeat the same steps. Aside from photos, you can also use markup in other iOS features and apps such as Mail and Messages. And that's all there is to this guide on how to use the iOS Markup feature on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.